Welcome classroom, let's learn ABCD together. A. For apple. Apple color is red. B. For ball. Bounce the ball. C. For cat. Cat says meow. D. For dog. Dog licks to bark. E. For elephant. Elephant has a trunk. F. For fish. Fish can swim. G. For grapes. Grapes are sweet. H. For horse. Horse likes to run. I. For ice cream. Ice cream is cold. J. For jam. Jam is sweet. K. For kite. Kite flies high. L. For lion. Lion is the king of jungle. M. For mango. Mango is a yummy fruit. N. For nest. Birds live in nests. O. For orange. Orange is round. P. For parrot. Parrot is green. Q. For queen. Queen wears a crown. R. For rabbit. Rabbit likes to hop. S. For sun. Sun is bright. T. For tree. Tree has green leaves. U. For umbrella. Umbrella keeps us dry. V. For violin. Violin plays music. W. For watch. Watch shows time. X. For xylophone. Xylophone makes music. Y. For yak. Yak has long hair. Z. For zebra. Zebra has strips. Great job kids! You learned A to Z.